Alright, YouTube. It's my 2014 fireworks stash, and we're going to jump right into it with the 200-gram fireworks. So here we go. I got a daffodil, super crackling rainbow, pyro alert, hot hot hot, milestones, Martin bombers, welder, crashing rainbow 25 shot, call from outer space, bling bling, very popular cake, instant replay, roundup, the red white and blue salute, hillbilly armor, Grand Canyon, mobile menace Goonies, laser twist, matrix pyro, cat 5, 2 Air Force Ones and a wild stallion, drinker of the wind 25 shot, luck of the Irish, cosmic raider, whirlwind of the Caribbean Sea 19 shot, super stallion, city crasher, buck fever, F-16 36 shot, gold brocade bash 12 shot, mastermind, golden peacock, Victoria Falls, Wild West by Brothers, very popular cake by them, Rainbow Night. We're going to move up to the 500 grams. Bling King by Pyro King, 15 shot. Major Riot, Thirsty Thursday, big fan cake. Party Like a Rock Star, also another fan cake, 24 shot. 2 Lots of Loves, 2 Rocktaculars, 2-inch, 12 shots. 4 Sexy Rider, 4 Speed Traps, 13 shot. 4 Instant Classics, 25 shot by Cutting Edge, and 2 Classic Cool number 4s, 9 shot. For artillery, I got a whole case of X-Cows. The ball shells are by Dominator. It's their Whistling Buster and their premium ball shell, and also by Dominator the Grim Reaper shell. Those are pretty nice. Also got a black box artillery kit down there. Most of these 200-gram cakes were from an assorted kit. It was the Pro Packs. And if just give me a second, I could see what number they were. They were Pro Pack 1 and 6 for the 200 grams, and then these 4 500-gram cakes were Pro Pack 19. I actually had 4 cakes go out of stock on me. It was Feud by Brothers, Hit the Road Jack by Brothers, Patriotism by Cutting Edge, which I was really looking forward to having that one just because of the colors and the brakes were very good on it. And the one cake I did not want to go out of stock went out of stock, and I was very disappointed on that, and that was by Cutting Edge, and it was Sucker Punch. It was 6-1, and the price you couldn't beat. So those are my 2014 fireworks stash. Alright, one more thing, guys. We got Cosmic Fury, 134 shots, big old fan effect cake. It's going to look good at the end of my show, so 2014 fireworks stash. It's ready to go. I'm probably going to get a couple more things. I'm going to run over to Indiana and pick up some stuff. This was all wholesale, by the way. So I'll probably have another stash update, so stay tuned.